listening to the lectures from the lecturers, attending practicals and all that stuff. But in these 45 to 50 days after joining IEEE, and at this moment standing here, the whole credit goes to IEEE, definitely. And before coming here, I was just an engineer. I mean, having passion to be an engineer. And at this moment, after this last session, I forgot your name. Hello. After his session, definitely I'll be an engineer for a change. And the whole credit. The whole credit goes to people whom I met, Ankit Dasgupta, Piyush Malviya, Arjun Pillai from Bombay section, and a lot of guys from AISC. Definitely, it has been a great motivation for me to be an engineer for a change to develop or to contribute for the humanity. Because I has got very much inspired by the tagline of IEEE itself. Advancing technology for the humanity. And that was my passion. I mean, I wanted to do something for humanity, and I just catch this in the tagline of IEEE. And this AISC helped me a lot, and definitely I would love to attend all the further AISCs, and just a journey of 53 to 55 days in the IEEE. I am here, and definitely the passion what I have to work for humanity, to work for the people from the ground level and up to the top level in this country. And definitely I'm sure the speakers and the things what I've learned, I'll implement in my life for my passion. Thank you, and a special thanks to the volunteers of IEEE and the AISC. I mean, we have arranged 1 or 2 days workshops in our college, but this kind of event, working for last 3 to 4 months, hats off to you from Bombay section and the whole IEEE India region. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajat from Delhi section. This is my first AISC. I've been a member of IEEE for the last 2 years from my first year of joining college. So at IEEE DTU, we have a very, very different culture. We call it an IEEE family. So we have a family of 500 people at IEEE DTU. But now after attending AISC, I believe I have a family of more than 1,000 IEEEans. I have met people from so many different backgrounds, be it from Kerala, Madras, Himachal, Gujarat, Bombay, and each and every one of you has contributed differently. And I want to thank you for that. It has been a brilliant experience. I have learned a lot from each and every one of you, the activities you do, the kind of initiatives you have taken in life. And of course, some sessions were outstanding, mind-blowing, and definitely I want to come back again and interact with you guys, meet new people, and start networking at a different level. I have just one last thing to say, guys. What happens after AISC is that people interact a lot during the AISC, but after that you go back to your normal lives. You forget about the people you've met. But remember, sustaining is more important than becoming a part. So we have become a part. We have joined somehow. Now let's sustain that and take it further. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yes. Yes. So one by one, like we've already got a person.
Hi all, this is Lakshman from Madras section. I have already attended the previous ASC as well as the R10. Actually, the sessions here were much more relevant to me. There are really good speakers in the R10 and stuff, but what they spoke about, I couldn't relate it to me. But the sessions here, like, I enjoyed a lot. I could learn a lot, and usually all these ASC and R10, they say how to have more members, and it will be only IEEE stuff. But here, as a professional and as a student, engineering student, I could learn a lot from this ASC. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshman.
Hi, I'm from Kerala section. My name is Aviral. First of all, I joined IEEE like 1.5 years back. I'm probably from Delhi, Gurgaon, but I came to Kerala to study. I didn't have a lot of friends over there. Kerala section helped me out. I made a lot of friends in Kerala section, and they gave me the opportunity to come over here. Over here, I made friends in Hyderabad section. Over here, I made a lot of friends. Gujarat, I just met right now. I made a lot of friends in Delhi, Mumbai. I met everyone. I'm really thankful for you guys to like talk to me and have fun, because that's what this was all about: knowing, networking, and having a lot of fun. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a lot. Yes.
Hello everyone, I'm Prem Prakash from Madras section. Actually, I joined IEEE 1 year ago, and before coming to this session, IEEE was just an organization which gives me information about latest technology. That's what IEEE meant to me. But now, after coming to this session, I have really understood the meaning for the tagline of IEEE, advancement of technology for humanity. So I really got the meaning of it, and I'm sure I will work for that. And I really want to thank Mr. Barnabas for organizing different kind of events. He took speeches from all different spectrum of life. So he took from entrepreneurship. He gave us introductions about Arduino and all stuffs. So he packed. This was a power-packed session for us. And I really thank everyone who worked for this. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bonnie Prajapati from Gujarat section. Before I say anything word of thanks to this, I need all of your cooperation for doing something. What I just say, just do like that. Please do like this. Please put your hand like this. Everyone, please cooperate. Now slowly take your hand upside. Slowly bend it from the knee. And just congratulate yourself by taking your name. Thank you, Bonnie. Because we are the lucky guys over here from all over the India to get this opportunity in this such place of Amrita University, and knowing so many new friends, networking and all. And we are so much lucky here that we got a chance. So we must congratulate ourselves first, because we are congratulating everyone or somewhere else. But we are never congratulating and thanking ourselves to be a part of this. If I talk about the arrangement and all, I know the sessions, so many sessions over here that taken over here, but many things are there in the exhibition. I know that what different sections are going on, some doing there at their college or something like that. And also many things here, I think this arrangement and all, I got many ideas what to do in the runtime errors and all these things. So I learned many things over here. So it helped me a lot when I will go to my college or my section or anywhere in my life in a professional career. It will help a lot. Thank you.
Hello guys. One and only thing the IEEE proves every time, each moment, every place is unity in diversity. We all here from different states, different languages, but still we're together just because of this one roof called IEEE. So just want to say it was an awesome experience being here. It's like I feel like writing an epic book on this AIST 2013. And a very big thank you to Hari Krishnan sir, who lately let us register to this AIST. A big thank you to you, sir. And the best thing over here I had is the dosa. It is never ever possible anywhere in the world. Whether it be rava masala dosa, any dosa, it's the best in the world. It's not like that, but I'm just appreciating. It's the best food in the world I ever ate over here. And the final and the foremost thing, we learned a lot, made new friends, made friends like hell. We laughed like hell, shouted like hell, got scored like hell. All the volunteers are very cooperative, and they scold a lot when we don't cooperate. Thank you.
Anybody else?
That's nice, that's nice. Finally, I've got a chance to speak, except that Uno part. Okay, my name is Rishi Jain and I'm from Bombay section. Each and everyone has made opinion about All India Student Congress, and different opinions, different part. I just wanted to, concentrate on one part. Like, I have been to many delegations in my school also, like somewhere near Delhi and all. But the basic thing that I just loved about it was the young entrepreneurs coming up and presenting their part, like amongst us. May it be Mr. Pasan, may it be Mr. Rajesh, Mr. Anup. I am so impressed by these young entrepreneurs. They have confidence within him. As a Eid Pass, you ought to have some experience, to portray yourself in front of audiences, okay, to think of that level. But in young ages, Mr. Barnabas, each and everyone, like those who have without experience, they are able to portray so effectively in front of audience. That is commendable thing. I appreciate your thing and I have learned so much. But there's one thing, I envy you guys a lot. Like next time I come, I want to be among the list of the speakers, not among the participants. Thank you.
Hello. Hi everyone, I'm Sanchita from Delhi section. I am from the most secluded section of the country, Himachal Pradesh. I don't get to meet people from different areas. Like people don't come there. Only for the tourism point of view they come there. But here I met people from Hyderabad, from the Madras section and various other sections. The most important thing that I found about IEEE is I was introduced to IEEE by my seniors. I learned a lot of technological things there. But most important thing that AISC told me is volunteering. Like I cannot learn volunteering somewhere else. I sang for the first time on the stage and that was in AISC. That is the spirit. Thank you people.
So it's just these two more people. Please make it short because we are running short of time.
Hi everyone, I'm Fatima from Bangalore section, PES College of Engineering, Mandya. I have enjoyed a lot over here, made new friends, everything. IEEE really gave me a platform to bring out what all I have in me. The thing that they organized over here were awesome. Like I got an insight in everything what IEEE has. It's an ocean. You have to just explore it. There are every kind of fishes, every kind of organisms living in IEEE. You can call it like that. Like he gave the example of nature. 3 days stay, it was fabulous, but everything has its, dark side and the good side. But as you say, when you are in Rome, stay as a Roman. So that is what I got to learn over here. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Aman from Delhi section, and I'd like to thank a lot to the Madras section for organizing this AISC. Very well done. Thanks a lot. I'd also like to thank all the speakers that we have. Mr. Pasan, thank you very much for traveling from Sri Lanka. Thanks a lot. And all the other speakers, all the organizers, Mr. Arun, Mr. Barnabas, Mr. Hari, thanks a lot. And I'd also like to thank you all for coming here, for meeting me, for teaching me different things. Thanks a lot, guys.
Okay, I'm the last one, I guess. So, IEEE 2013. I'm from Bangalore section. My name is Rahat. And last year, our college, 2012, AISC we had. So we are seeing a lot of differences, a lot of changes, and I can see a big crowd than last year. So at last, I would like to end because I'm seeing next to me, sir is very eager to take the hold on. So it's just AISC 2013, hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! On to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, guys. So as a closing note of the sessions, not the valedictory session, but all the other talk sessions, I would want Pasan Patyagode, who is the only foreign dignitary from the Region 10, to kind of give us a feedback about the All India Student Congress 2013. Of course, we had a lot of private meetings with the India Council team. Dr. Preeti Bajaj had a session with him, and the entire India SAC team had a session with him. But I would like to know what he felt about the crowd, the energy that he sees in the crowd. Yeah.
Now I understand it's not a moment for a technical session or to explain how IEEE should proceed, but this is just about the All India Student Congress. We'll start from one end and finish from the other end within a very short period of time. We'll be starting from India. I should thank the India Council and the Madras section for putting this up, because from the Region 10 perspective, we know that it's hard, really, really hard to put up just a student congress in a section in some countries. We strive a lot, we strive so badly, but still it's really hard. But in India, you have All India Student Congress. Thanks should go to the India Council and the Madras section. Thank you very much. And then we come to the volunteers, starting from Barnabas, Anand, plus all other volunteers who led this. I know personally Barnabas, who was striving a lot to bring people here. I think he was the first person to call me from India. I was getting an international phone call when I was not able to reply to his email inviting me here. I understand the effort they have put in to bring people here on. And we frequently hear that we don't have money to bring speakers in, so that we are not able to have a congress. But these people have been using the technology in an immensely fabulous way. I don't know whatever the softwares you use, they used Skype, they used whatever the software they use, they have all the slides going on the screen, on the speakers online, and when the speaker is in USA, or maybe the speaker is in London, that doesn't matter. Now the session is done pretty nicely, where in some other countries, when we push them to have a student congress, they want us to send speakers over there, and if the only reason for them to not have a student congress is they can't have speakers. But why don't you go for an alternative? We are engineers who should always go for an alternative where the resources are not available, isn't it? So please give a big hand to all the members in the committee. Thank you very much. And finally, the most important part. The most important part is you, ladies and gentlemen. You are a very nice audience to all the speakers, very interactive, raised questions, understood what we wanted you to convey, and wherever you had a problem, a question, you were very humble and energetic to come to us and ask the question. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. On behalf of the Region 10, Director Toshio Fukuda, Student Activities Committee Chair Mr. Om Prakash, and the Student Activities Committee, and the Region 10 Executive Committee, I would like to thank everyone who took steps to organize All India Student Congress 2013, and wish that the next step of this will be at a brilliantly greater height of this edition. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Pasan. So we are directly heading to the valedictory function. All our dignitaries are over here, and over to Aishwarya Soman for the valedictory session. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. 2 days back, we were all assembled here to inaugurate the All India Students Congress 2013. And now, we are here